Hey folks, Shawn Plummer over at the Annuity Expert. In today's video, we're going to answer the question, can I roll over a Thrift Savings Plan, TSP, into a fixed index annuity, and how to do that? Now, the answer is yes, you can roll over your Thrift Savings Plan into a fixed index annuity, just using a direct rollover, which keeps the transfer tax deferred and avoids penalties and a taxable consequence from the IRS. All you need to do is pick out the fixed index annuity that you like, whether that's with or without a guaranteed lifetime withdrawal benefit, if you want lifetime income. And you fill out the transfer form on the application and you check where it's coming from, TSP, where it's going. You would select IRA annuity and it would roll over and convert it into an IRA, and then it would be in your name instead of being at the employer. Reasons why you would do this is you're trying to take away the exposure from stock market volatility, or have principal protection and be able to grow it with the fixed index annuity through the S&P 500 or the NASDAQ or the Dow Jones without the hassle of losing money. You can do it for lifetime income, and you can even run quotes in real time. All you need to do is go over to the Annuity Experts, go to your Google or Yahoo or Bing, type in the Annuity Expert, will show up. And then you go up here to calculators, retirement-based calculators, annuity calculator. And here we have in real time, and pretend this is your thrift savings plan. You're 55 years old. I'm in Georgia, and let's just say 500,000 is what your TSP is worth, and you want to start income after 5 years at age 60. Type in a simple math problem. Go in here, and it will calculate what the income payout of the fixed index annuity will be. And we don't like B-rated companies, so you go here, and you'd get from 500,000, $51,573 for life. And then you just enter in your information here, and then we'll get you a quote comparison so you can see all the different carriers, and then you'll be good to go. Let's see, are there any other questions about rolling over? No taxable event if you roll over the lump sum option from your TSP. What's the difference between taking the monthly benefit through MetLife or rolling it over? I think the big difference is when you have a TSP and you leave service, you roll it over. That's your only real option, or keep it there. You would roll over into an IRA annuity or an IRA if you're going to go to a brokerage house. But specifically for a fixed index annuity, you would, if you left a job that offered a thrift savings plan, you could roll that over into an IRA annuity, and then you can add a GLWB if you want. If you're at retirement stage, you're going to have a choice. You either take the lump sum and you can roll it over into an IRA annuity with a GLWB, or you can take the MetLife monthly benefit, which is an annuity in itself, but it's an irrevocable stream of income. So if you've worked 30 plus years for your government job and you got this thrift savings plan and you convert it to an income stream, you no longer earn interest on that money. The death benefit may suck. The payouts might be lower. And then once you start that monthly benefit, there's no turning back. There's no changing your mind, okay? So we here at the Annuity Expert, for most scenarios, are fans of keeping control of your savings and letting you be able to make decisions on your behalf and to change your mind if you need to. So we recommend rolling it over from the TSP, the lump sum option, into the IRA annuity with the guaranteed lifetime withdrawal benefit. It's usually on a fixed index annuity chassis, and get a similar or better payout. And then you have control, you earn interest. If you die, there's a lump sum death benefit. Or if you have a spouse, you can do a spousal payout for both of you and your spouse for 2 lifetimes, or the spouse can continue the contract at death. So those would be kind of the reasons why you would specifically roll over a TSP into a fixed index annuity at retirement. So yeah, hope that answered your questions. If you have a comment, leave it below. We'll leave a link in the description to the annuity calculator And if you have a specific question or need a comparison to make sure, if anything, you should be stress testing your income. That's one thing I didn't bring up. If you're at the retirement stage and you have the choice of the lump sum rollover or the monthly benefit from MetLife, you should stress test MetLife's payout to the Annuity Expert. Come in here, plug in your information. You don't have to enter in your email address. You could do it anonymously and just compare, hey, if I roll over the lump sum over to an IRA annuity, will it be a similar or higher payment than if I just took the monthly benefit from MetLife? At least get that knowledge, right? So yeah, I hope that answers your questions. You can give us a call as well, 770-755-1565. Like, subscribe, and we'll catch you on the next video. Hope all is well. Talk to you soon.